Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to find bookmark on your PDF file using PDF-XChange Editor. Open your PDF file with PDF-XChange Editor. Now select Home option and here you will find this bookmark option, and this is all of your bookmark. This one, and this is a bookmark. You can delete your bookmark here. You can copy this bookmark, you can rename, reset your bookmark destination, and you can cut, you can add new bookmark, and so on. Yeah, again see this, select Home option and this bookmark icon, click here, and this is all of your bookmark. You can zoom in, zoom out. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.